Welcome back to Mr. English Hub. I'm Alex, and today I'm here with the wonderful Emma. Emma, how are you doing today?
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm doing great. I've been thinking a lot about travel lately, so today's topic is perfect for me.
Travel. Nice. I've also been thinking about different countries, especially the food. Always the food.
Of course, you were thinking about food. That sounds exactly like you.
Hey, food is important. But yes, today's topic is how to talk about your country in English, something every English learner wants to do.
Absolutely. When people meet someone new, they always ask, "Where are you from?" or "What's your country like?" So, this lesson will help you answer naturally and confidently.
Viewers, can you describe your country in English? If not, don't worry. You will after this video.
Let's start with the basics. I'm from, I come from, my country is.
Repeat after me. I'm from.
Repeat, my country is.
Easy, right? You can also add the region or city. I'm from the southern part of my country. I'm from the capital city. I'm from a small town.
Repeat after me. I'm from the capital city.
Repeat. I'm from a small town.
Now let's talk about how to describe your country. It's a beautiful country. It's a big country. It's a small country. It's a peaceful country.
Or you can talk about the people. People are friendly. People are hardworking. People are welcoming.
Repeat, people are friendly.
Repeat. It's a beautiful country.
Viewers, how would you describe your country in one sentence?
A very common question is, what's the weather like in your country? You can say, it's usually hot. It's cold in the winter. It rains a lot. We have 4 seasons.
Repeat after me. We have 4 seasons.
Repeat. It's usually hot.
Food is always a fun topic. You can say, we have delicious food. Our food is spicy. We eat a lot of rice. We have many traditional dishes.
Repeat after me. Our food is spicy.
Repeat, we have many traditional dishes.
To talk about famous places, you can say, we have beautiful beaches. There are many mountains. Our capital city is famous. There are a lot of historical buildings.
Repeat after me. There are many mountains.
Repeat. Our capital city is famous.
Here's a simple example. I'm from Brazil. It's a big country with beautiful nature. People are friendly and the food is amazing. The weather is warm and there are many beaches.
And another one. I'm from Japan. It's a modern country with a rich culture. There are beautiful temples and mountains. The food is delicious and people are polite.
Repeat, it's a modern country with a rich culture.
Repeat. The food is delicious. Welcome back to Chapter 2. Today we're talking about traditions, culture, and what makes your country special.
Yes, this is one of the most fun parts of talking about your country. People love to learn about traditions and cultural habits.
Let's start with easy phrases to describe traditions. We have a tradition of. In my country, we celebrate. One of our biggest holidays is. We usually.
Repeat after me. In my country, we celebrate.
Repeat. One of our biggest holidays is.
Here are examples you can use. In my country, we celebrate a big festival in the spring. We have a traditional holiday with family gatherings. We enjoy fireworks during our national celebration.
Repeat after me. We celebrate a big festival in the spring.
Repeat. We enjoy fireworks during our national celebration.
Now, let's learn how to describe cultural habits. People in my country usually greet each other with, we often eat together as a family. It's common to take off your shoes before entering a house. We show respect by.
Repeat after me. It's common to take off your shoes.
Repeat. We show respect by.
Here are ways to talk about cultural activities. People love dancing. We enjoy traditional music. Sports are very popular. We have traditional clothing.
Repeat after me. Traditional music is popular.
Repeat. We have traditional clothing.
Use these simple phrases. What makes my country special is. Our culture is known for. People around the world love our.
Repeat after me. What makes my country special is.
Repeat. Our culture is known for.
Here's an example. In my country, we celebrate a big holiday every winter. Families cook special meals and visit relatives. People wear traditional clothes, and the celebration lasts for several days.
And another example. Our culture is known for its music and dancing. People love to sing, and festivals are very lively.
Repeat after me. People love to sing.
Repeat. Festivals are very lively. Emma, what's one tradition from your country?
We have a holiday where families get together and eat a special meal. It's one of my favorite celebrations.
That sounds fun. Do people wear traditional clothes?
Sometimes it depends on the family.
Viewers, what tradition from your country do you like the most?
Repeat these with us. It's a cultural tradition. It's a popular celebration. People enjoy spending time together. It's part of our history.
Repeat. It's a popular celebration. It's part of our history.
Today, we learned how to talk about traditions, culture, holidays, and what makes your country special.
In Chapter 3, we'll talk about geography, nature, and different regions of your country.
If you're enjoying the lesson, like and subscribe.
And comment one tradition from your country. Welcome back to Chapter 3. Today, we're talking about the geography and natural features of your country.
Yes, this includes mountains, rivers, beaches, cities, and regions, all very useful when describing your country in English.
Let's start with simple geography phrases. My country has many mountains. There are lots of beaches. We have big rivers. There are many islands.
Repeat after me. My country has many mountains.
Repeat. There are lots of beaches.
Now let's talk about regions. The north is very cold. The south is warmer. The east is rainy. The west is dry.
Repeat after me. The north is very cold.
Repeat. The south is warmer.
You can also talk about cities. Our capital city is very busy. There are many modern buildings. My hometown is small and peaceful. The city where I live is very crowded.
Repeat after me. Our capital city is very busy.
Repeat. My hometown is small and peaceful.
Now let's describe nature. We have beautiful forests. There are national parks. The lakes are clean and quiet. The scenery is amazing.
Repeat after me. The lakes are clean and quiet.
Repeat. The scenery is amazing.
If your country has different climates, try these phrases. The climate is different in each region. It's hot in the summer. It's cold in the winter. The weather changes quickly.
Repeat after me. The weather changes quickly.
Repeat. It's cold in the winter.
Here's an example. My country has beautiful beaches in the south and mountains in the north. The capital city is busy, but there are many quiet villages too.
And one more. We have a warm climate, lots of rivers, and amazing forests. The natural scenery is one of my favorite things about my country.
Repeat after me. We have a warm climate.
Repeat. The natural scenery is amazing. Alex, what's your favorite place in your country?
I love the mountains in the north. The air is fresh and the views are beautiful.
Do you go there often?
Not enough, but I try to visit at least once a year.
Viewers, what natural place do you like most in your country?
Repeat these sentences with us. It's a beautiful region. The landscapes are stunning. There are many natural attractions. It's famous for its beaches.
Repeat. The landscapes are stunning. It's famous for its beaches.
Today we learned how to describe geography, regions, cities, and natural features of your country.
In Chapter 4, we'll talk about daily life, transportation, food, habits, and what everyday life is like in your country.
If you're enjoying this lesson, like and subscribe.
And comment your favorite natural place in your country.
Welcome back to Chapter 4. Today we're talking about daily life in your country, how people live, what they eat, how they get around, and what daily routines look like.
Yes, these details make your conversations sound natural and help other people understand what life is like where you're from.
Let's start with general lifestyle phrases. Life is fast-paced. Life is relaxed. People work long hours. People enjoy spending time with family.
Repeat after me. Life is relaxed.
Repeat. People work long hours.
Now let's talk about transportation. Most people use buses. Many people drive cars. We have a good subway system. Traffic can be busy.
Repeat after me. Most people use buses.
Repeat. Traffic can be busy.
Daily life always includes food. People eat rice every day. We usually have a big lunch. Dinner is light. We enjoy street food.
Repeat after me. We enjoy street food.
Repeat. Dinner is light.
Here are common phrases about work and school life. People start work early. Kids go to school from Monday to Friday. Work finishes around 5 or 6. Students have a lot of homework.
Repeat after me. People start work early.
Repeat. Work finishes around 5 or 6.
Weekends are also fun to describe. People spend time with family. Many people go shopping. Some people travel. We like to relax at home.
Repeat after me. People spend time with family.
Repeat. We like to relax at home.
You can talk about what people enjoy. People like playing sports. We enjoy music and dancing. People often visit cafes. We like spending time outdoors.
Repeat after me. People like playing sports.
Repeat. We like spending time outdoors. Here's an example. Daily life in my country is fast-paced. People work long hours, and public transportation is very important. On weekends, people relax or spend time with family.
And another example. Life in my country is simple and peaceful. Most people live in small towns and enjoy spending time outdoors. We have delicious food and friendly neighbors.
Repeat after me. Life is simple and peaceful.
Repeat. People enjoy spending time outdoors.
Hey, Alex, what's daily life like in your country?
Life is busy during the week, but weekends are relaxed. People go out with friends or stay home with family.
That sounds nice. Do people use public transportation a lot?
Yes, especially in big cities.
Viewers, what is daily life like in your country?
Repeat these phrases with us. Daily life is busy. People use public transportation. Weekends are relaxing. People enjoy simple routines.
Repeat. Weekends are relaxing. Daily life is busy.
Today, we learned how to describe lifestyle, transportation, food, work, school, and weekend activities.
In Chapter 5, we'll help you put everything together into a full summary of your country.
If you're enjoying this lesson, like and subscribe.
And comment something unique about daily life in your country.
Welcome to Chapter 5. Today we're putting everything together so you can give a full, natural description of your country in English.
Yes, we'll help you combine geography, culture, daily life, food, traditions, everything you learned in the previous chapters.
Here's a simple structure you can follow. Where your country is, what it looks like, nature, geography, what people are like, culture and traditions, food, daily life, what makes it special.
Repeat after me. Where, what, people, culture, food, daily life, special.
Repeat, geography, culture, daily life.
Here's an easy example. My country is in Asia. It has mountains in the north and beaches in the south. People are friendly and hardworking. We have many traditions and festivals. The food is spicy and delicious. Daily life is busy, but weekends are relaxing. What makes my country special is its beautiful nature.
Repeat after me. My country has mountains in the north.
Repeat. What makes my country special is its beautiful nature.
Let's try a longer one. My country is located in Europe. It has forests, lakes, and modern cities. People are polite and enjoy spending time outdoors. We celebrate many traditional holidays with music and food. Our food is simple but very tasty. Daily life is calm in small towns but faster in big cities. What makes my country special is its mix of history and modern culture.
Repeat after me. People enjoy spending time outdoors.
Repeat. It's a mix of history and modern culture.
Alex, how would you describe your country in a few sentences?
My country has beautiful nature, friendly people, and delicious food. Life is busy during the week, but relaxing on weekends. We have many traditions that bring families together.
That's a great description. Viewers, can you describe your country using 3 to 5 sentences?
Repeat these with us. It's known for. It's famous for. It's located in. It has a rich culture. People are very welcoming.
Repeat. It's known for. It has a rich culture.
Let's build one more together. Repeat after me. My country is located in. It has beautiful cities and natural places. People are friendly and open. We have many traditions and delicious food. Daily life is a mix of work, family, and fun. It's a special place because.
Now repeat this version. My country is unique because of its beautiful landscapes, kind people, and strong traditions.
Today, we learned how to give a full, clear, natural description of your country in English.
Now you can talk about where you're from with confidence.
Viewers, what do you love most about your country? Tell us in the comments.
And if you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next video.